Hopefully today you'll see the vice that I've bought. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the description below at the end of it. I'm just going to unbox it, see how we go. And, as I say, it arrived today. It's a Stanley Max Steel. I think it's a hobby vice. It says on the back here, Stanley Max Steel 2020 Stanley Black & Decker, and then it says it in German, so I'm not sure what. It moves in all different positions. I'll just do a close-up of that. It's obviously got a computer board on there, but I will be using it for woodwork.
Just what I always wanted.
Those are the different ways you can fit it. So let's get it unpacked and fix it to the work table.
I'm really gonna enjoy this.
And we'll see how we get on. Right. So now this moves in all different positions, which I think is wonderful. I presume that's to lock it to the bench, which I'll just put it there for now. I can move it whenever I want. That's nice and solid there. Then you can move it any position you want here. Look, you can even do it right down like that. So probably when it's not in use, I'll have it in that position. You can lift it up like that. And obviously I'm going to have to get used to which way this goes. And because it's upside down, it's working in the opposite way, I presume. If I keep going anti-clockwise, yep, that'll tighten up. And that's got quite a good grip, and it hasn't gone very tight yet. So that's wonderful. And then if I wanted to put a piece of wood at any angle, say like I want to put that in the vise, there's no quick release or quick way to do it, but you could literally and these are rubber, so it protects what you're doing. The jaw is rubber, so it protects what you're working on to a degree. And that's got that quite solid now. You can always go a little bit more. So that's got it. Then if I wanted to, then I could work on it. Just get my little knife, and if I wanted to round that over, and obviously I'll be working on different things. If you wanted to work a little bit more on the cross, I could put that in there. Do that up nice and tight. Then I could, if I needed to, take a little bit out of there. So all in all, I'm very happy with it. I'll be leaving a link in the description below. As I said, it's an affiliate link that I get a small commission from. So that's all I've got to say about that. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, whatever you do, do it well, and I'll see you soon.